Today on Unpacked, we got a keg and a mug, and things are gonna get crazy. Okay, I have long since been a root beer aficionado. Not really that snooty. I just enjoy it. And this came to my attention. It's been around a while, but this 1919 root beer has this really cool pony keg, they call it. I've not been able to find anybody else that uses it. Maybe there's somebody out there, but it's this cool little 5-liter soda keg. And I like root beer. There's a cool story behind this brand who started making soda during Prohibition, just to keep their breweries alive, which is a pretty cool story. And wanted to just check this pony keg out because we thought it was super cool. And yeah, let's see how this thing works. So there's instructions printed here on the top that say, step 1, rotate, lift this. Okay. Step 2, turn this. Ooh, boy. Ooh. So it vents, I don't know how far. Step 3 is to flip this out. This little lever thing right here, this little handle. And then step 4, pull it out. Whoop, whoop. We have a keg with a tap. We've got a coffee mug as well. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. So it just, you push down on it. Oh yeah, 90 degrees, not further. That is pretty slick. And ooh, that's pretty delicious too. So this is a really cool pack, and there's not a whole ton of information out there. I think it's Berlin that owns this technology. Whether they created it or just acquired it over the years, I don't know. And there's really not too many brands that we could find using it. We've got this one, and then there was a recent, I think it was a limited time, like LTO, limited time offer for Liquid Death that was using this thing like very recently. But it's a really neat technology. It's a cool execution, delicious brand. Go check it out. And thanks for watching Unpacked. Thanks for having a drink with us. I'm glad we got to the root of that.